Every day brings a choice to practice stress or to practice peace. Welcome back to our channel. Please subscribe to Easy Dentistry if you have not yet done, and also don't forget to put on the bell icon. Today's lecture is on myxoma. So myxoma is a heterogeneous group of soft tissue tumors which have a common histologic appearance of abundant myxoid ground substance, and this ground substance is composed of mucopolysaccharides, mainly the hyaluronic acid. So hyaluronic acid is the major component of the myxomatous stroma. The stroma, it resembles the primitive mesenchyme, and it is composed of stellate cells arranged in a loose mucoid stroma, and it contains delicate reticulin fibers, and this lesion is purely benign and it does not metastasize. So here you can see the myxomatous stroma. It resembles the primitive mesenchyme, and there are stellate shaped cells in a delicate reticulin fiber background. Now the clinical features. Myxomas are deeply situated lesions occurring in the skin, genitourinary tract, gastrointestinal tract, liver, spleen, or even the parotid gland. It may occur at any age and has no gender predilection. Talking about the oral manifestation, the oral lesions are extremely rare and show myxomatous degeneration of the fibrous stroma. Odontogenic myxomas are central lesion occurring in the mandible or maxilla inside the bone, and it is of dental origin or from the tooth origin. And there is something called as nerve sheath myxoma, which arises from the perineural cells of the peripheral nerves. There you can see stellate cells in myxoid stroma. Now, the oral myxomas mostly occurs on the tongue, buccal mucosa, and the retromolar area. Oral focal mucinosis is an oral counterpart of a dermal lesion which is called as cutaneous focal mucinosis. So, oral focal mucinosis is a oral counterpart of a dermal lesion. So, here you can see oral focal mucinosis lesion on the palate. Now the histologic. Soft tissue myxoma is characterized by a loose textured connective tissue with delicate reticulin fibers, abundant mucoid material, and which is composed of hyaluronic acid. So here you can see the loosely textured connective tissue stroma of a soft tissue myxoma. While oral focal mucinosis, it lacks the reticulum network. It is composed of stellate cells, but the reticulin network is absent. It is non-encapsulated. So here you can see the absence of reticulin fibers in the connective tissue. Now the treatment and prognosis. The surgical excision of the lesion is required and the recurrence is quite common. Next lecture will be on chondroma. That's all for now. Happy studying.